Hi class, good day to all of you. I'm doing this video to show you the answers in your long test last time. As I answer each question, I want you to recall your answer in each question as well, for you to be able to know if you got the correct answer in each question. I have to do this because by next meeting, we have to start the discussion of our lesson in Module 1 for second grading period. Let us now begin. Question number 1. The resistance of an object to any change in its motion is inertia. Number 2. Newton's third law is about forces. What are these forces? The correct answer is action-reaction forces. Number 3. A 2 kilogram object accelerated at 5 meters per second squared. The net force needed to accelerate the object is 10 newtons. Number 4. Alonso is learning to walk. How should he push the ground for him to move forward? The correct answer is one of his feet will push the ground backward. Number 5. The energy possessed by a body due to its position is called potential energy. Number 6. Which is not an example of potential energy? The correct answer is a tennis ball rolling across the court. Number 7. Two objects with different masses are placed on the same shelf. Which object contains more energy? The correct answer is the object with a greater mass has more energy. Number 8. Which color has the shortest wavelength? The correct answer is violet. Number 9. Which color comes between blue and yellow in the visible spectrum of light? The correct answer is green. Number 10. Which of the following is not true? The correct answer is different colors of light travel at the same speed in different media. Number 11. Which of the following energy transfers would be correct? The correct answer is thermal energy in a hot drink is transferred to cold hands. Number 12. Which statement does best describe temperature? The correct answer is the measure of the average kinetic energy of particles in a substance. Number 13. Which of the following is true about the current and voltage? The correct answer is the higher the voltage, the higher the current. Number 14. Three bulbs are connected in series. What will happen if one of the bulbs burns out? The correct answer is all the bulbs will not light up. Number 15. Clara is setting up some fairy lights for her room. She noticed that the lights are not bright. Using your knowledge about series and parallel connections, what could be the reason for this? The correct answer is the bulbs are connected in series. Number 16. Which of the following is true about the total current that flows in the series? The correct answer is the total current is the same as each load current. Number 17. According to blank, an object at rest will stay at rest, or an object in motion will stay in motion and travel in a straight line as long as no external net force acts on it. The correct answer is law of inertia. Number 18. Objects with greater blank also have greater inertia. The correct answer is mass. Number 19. Consider a fish swimming forward in the ocean. Which of the following describes the interacting forces between the fish and the water? The correct answer is the force of the fish swimming and the force of the water is equal but in opposite directions. Number 20. Charlie pulls a rope with a force of 5 newtons. How much force is exerted by the rope against Charlie? The correct answer is 5 newtons. Number 21. Three factors that determine potential energy are, the correct answer is mass, height, and gravity. Number 22. A 5 kilogram rock is on top of a 50-meter high hill. What is the gravitational potential energy of the rock? The correct answer is 2,450 joules. Number 23. Which color possesses the least energy? The correct answer is red. Number 24. Which of the following is not true? The correct answer is heat transfer is always from cooler to warmer materials. Number 25. An ammeter is used to measure current. What does it mean if it shows 0A reading? The correct answer is circuit is open. Number 26. A television and electric fan are connected in a parallel to a 220 volt line. The current on the television is 15 amperes and in the electric fan is 8 amperes. What is the total current flowing in the line? The correct answer is 23 amperes. Number 27. According to Newton's second law of motion, the acceleration of an object equals the net force acting on the object divided by the object's blank. The correct answer is mass. Number 28. What happens to the forces from different objects which are equal in amount but opposite in direction? The correct answer is they do not cancel each other. Number 29. What does a color with low frequency indicate? The correct answer is short wavelength. Number 30. Three identical bulbs are connected to a source as shown in the picture below. Which of the following statements does best explain the current that flows along with the three bulbs? The correct answer is the current on all bulbs are all the same. That ends this video presentation. Congratulations for those who passed the long test. And for those who are not able to pass the test, it means that you have to study hard next time. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and click the notification button so that you'll get notified if I have a new science video presentation. Once again, thank you for listening.